Hi, somewhere in the file which you've sent me, I see we should pay $66,408 for the contractor's payment this month. Are you sure? Please check it again. I'm in the meeting. Please inform me the exact total payment as soon as possible. Thanks again, Mohammad Rahmani, Project Manager. No, stop it! You need to use Remove Duplicates. For removing duplicates, first select a row from the table. Then go to Data tab and select Remove Duplicates icon. Yes, my data has headers. And yes, I want to remove duplicates from these two columns. And press on OK. 3 duplicates is detected and removed, and the total is reduced to 51,478. Well done! In this method, easily we remove duplicates from Data tab without using any formula. In the second method, I want to show you how to remove duplicates in the Power Query and compare it with the first method. Thanks for watching. If you are new in our family, you can easily subscribe us to enjoy learning. I have copied the table and keep the original one. For Power Query, I select my original table which contains duplicates. Go to Data tab and select From Table or Range. The Power Query window pops up. For more understanding what is Power Query, you can check out my Ultimate Excel course. For removing duplicates, I select a cell from my data. Then go to Home tab, Remove Rows, and Remove Duplicates. As you see in Apply the Steps, it shows that the duplicates are removed. Now I want to back to my worksheet and take these changes there. So in Home tab, open Close and Load drop-down menu and select Close and Load to. Here, I want to see the data in table and to the existing worksheet because I want to compare the data to here. Then press on OK. Something is weird to my eye. I think you detected too. I have 11 data in Power Query, but 10 in normal removing duplicates. Can you guess why? When I check two lists, I can see that a Skanska AB company is written 2 times in Power Query, and it has not removed the duplicate of this company because of upper and lower cases. So Power Query is sensitive to upper and lower cases. Pay attention always for removing duplicates when you are using Power Query. Let's solve this. On Power Query, right-click and select Edit. Now, I want to back to the previous step in removing duplicates. So, from Apply the Steps, select Change Type, but remove this step first. Select Contractors column, go to Transform. Format and select Uppercase. All data in Contractors is changed to uppercase. Now easily right-click on a column and select Remove Duplicates. Now press on Close and Load. As you see, now it is correct. Now let me add a row to our original table and add a company. But make sure not to add the duplicate one. Turner.co is added, right? We changed the original table. As you know, both our changes are extracted from this original one. Nothing changes in these both tables. If I right-click on Power Query and select Refresh, Turner.co is added, but in the normal one, nothing is added. So this is the advantage of Power Query. For the review, let me say the normal removing duplicates from Data tab is not case sensitive and not change with the changes of the original data. But the query one is case sensitive and changes when the data in the original table changes. But don't forget to refresh it.